Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Quizlet, which is a free learning tool for students of all ages. If you go to your computer and type in Google, the search bar, anything, and type in Quizlet.com, the home page will come up of Quizlet. If you have a Google account, you can click on the right hand side, the Google sign in, and it will automatically sign you in, but you will have to create your password to go along with it when you sign in. If you don't have a Google account, you can come to the sign in button, click on sign in. You need to type in your birthday, your username, email, password, and then you need to retype your password and click on I agree to the terms of service and sign up. If you already have a Google account, you can click on the login, and you can even right here click on login with Google account also, or you can type in your username, your password. You can keep yourself logged in and click login. Since I already have a Google account and a Quizlet, I'm going to click Google sign in, and it takes me right to my page. You can click on the right hand side and it gives you your icon and shows your name up here. You can click on your study sets. It tells you I've created 3 sets. It tells me all the sets I've created, the history, the punctuation marks, the spelling list. You can click on the ones that you've studied, or you can go up to the search Quizlet to the very top and type in history, and it comes up with tons and tons of Quizlets that I've already made. Or if you have a certain teacher, you can type in the teacher's name or your friend's name if somebody else has made it. You can type in any subject you want and see if you can find terms that you're studying. Click on one. It shows you the terms, the definitions on this side. This one even has pictures. You can use it also. You can do flashcards with it, learn, speller, test. You can do the scatter game or the space race game. Or if you want to create a study set, you click right up here on the create a study set. You go to the set title, so we can do math. Let's do math as our set title. You type in your terms, which let's just say we're going to learn different math. So let's do fractions. You need to choose a language. So we'll do English. Go over the definition side. We can let's just type in a fraction, 3/4. Go to the English Spanish or choose language. We're going to choose English again. On a different math, we did fractions. We can do add. Do maybe the plus sign. We can do subtract. Maybe do like 3 minus 4. Can do all of that. You can come on this side. You can add a photo, a voice recording, or you can auto define. If you go up to the top, if that's your set, all your terms and your definitions, click on the bottom, click create, and it'll save. When you've created your set, you can now share it with others. You can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Twitter, you can add it to a class if your class is set up to where you can add stuff. You can add it to a folder, or you can take this link it gives you and place it at the top of your search box, and your Quizlet will show up. Okay, so now that we have our terms and definitions, we can make flashcards. The flashcards right now are giving us the definition first. We can even click this audio up at the top right.
3/4.
And it'll read it back to you. You can edit it. Or you can start with the term, go back up,
fractions,
you can read it, or you can even do both sides. So let's start with the definition. Okay, so it says 3/4. All you do is click your mouse and it goes to the term. I can click again, go back to the definition, click again, and go back to the term. To go to the other one, you go to the bottom, click the arrow, goes to the definition, click again, and it goes to the term. Go down to the bottom, gives you the definition, click again, gives you the term. So those are the flashcards. You can also come up to the top and go to Learn, which Learn, it shows you on your left side the remaining terms you have, how many you've gotten incorrect, how many you've gotten correct. You can see the term first, and you can play the audio.
subtract,
You can even start over.
add,
So it gives you add, you type in the answer, go to the side,
add,
click
plus,
an answer. Press any key to continue.
subtract,
It gives you the term first. If you go look on this side, it shows you the remaining. I have 2 remaining. Incorrect 0, correct 1. If I don't know this answer, I can go to the right side and click don't know.
subtract 3 to 4,
And then I'm going to have to type in what it gives me,
fractions,
and it's correct. So that's the Learn. Go to Speller. All you do is type what
add,
you hear. So I heard add, so I'm going to type add.
subtract,
I heard subtract, going to type subtract.
fractions,
And then fractions. If you go on the left side, it tells you your progress, which is 33%. I've gotten 2 out of 3 correct. I can do speak term fast, speak term slow, speak definition fast, speak definition slow, or don't speak at all. You can replay the audio. So that is Speller. We go to test. It gives you a written test. So let's see the written test. Type in fractions, the multiple choice. We could do subtract, the true or false. Click check answers. It tells you I got it correct, correct, and correct. It also tells you how it should be. You can print the test. Go to the right side, it tells you your score. You can also create a new test and say what kind of question types you want. So let's say we want to add matching in it too. We want to start with the term first, and the question limit is 3 of 3 available terms. We can click create new test, and our new test comes up. Whenever you make this new test, you can even print the test before you start it. Okay, so let's do the scatter. Start game. Scatter is, you're gonna come into this on the right side. It says your time limit right here. It says I've been doing this game for 10 seconds, 11, 12. It will also give you your record time, which I've only started this once, so I don't have a record time. And then all you're going to do is I see add, so I'm going to drag it to the correct answer. Subtract, drag to the correct answer. Fractions, drag to the correct answer. When you're done, it tells you your score, which is 31.2 seconds. You can play it again and try to beat your score, and it also shows you the high scores of playing this game. Okay, we can move on to the race. It shows you your instructions. Start playing. When it comes across, you're going to type in the correct term to the definition. You're going to wait. Type in the correct term again. Okay. So this one, is fractions, so you're going to retype fractions. Tells you your score down here at the bottom, 100, the level, how many you've gotten correct, how many lives. Showed you your high scores, your instructions, you can start over. Again, you're going to have to copy the answer. It tells you when you're done, your start, your score, which is 100 points, the high scores, and you can play it again. So that is Quizlet. When you're done using them, you can go to the top right to your icon. You can click on your study sets, your settings, log out, help center, feedback, everything was under this. If you're done with Quizlet, you can click log out and you can exit out and you can come back and your terms and definitions will all be saved.